down.
Yeah.
Hit it to the ground. We go up, down. And we drop it to the ground. And we go left, right, and we look them in the eye, and we go up.
Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Kate.
And we are Vocal
Lab
Collective. Circle in. Cheers.
Wow, you really threw me for a loop there.
I just try to make them interesting every time. Because that's what I try to do with all my clients.
He does make it very interesting.
To make it interesting.
You do make it very interesting.
Because what really is that we love about an artist or a song? We love that it's interesting.
And original.
Splendor. Effervescence.
And original. Because what do you say? You actually say this. Safe
has plans. Crazy has stories.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, it's from eczema.
It's from eczema?
No. What is with your hearing today?
I thought you said eczema.
An ex of mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's a story we need to hear on another video.
I mean,
you know what I'm saying?
Dating for 3 weeks count as an ex? Probably not.
With you, it sure does. Anyway, I do believe this.
That would mean we did.
You say... You're right. You're right.
And the comments
start pouring in. I mean, half of them probably thought we have or we do. Pouring in. Pouring in? You don't say that? What is wrong with saying the comments start pouring in?
I'll tell you later what I thought you said.
Because I have no idea.
Oh my gosh.
You say again, safe is...
Safe.
No.
I mean...
Yes.
Safe
is safe. Safe. You're like, safe is safe.
We've not even had a lot to drink,
we haven't.
guys.
We really haven't.
Safe has plans. Craziest stories.
Okay, I always say safe is boring.
Way boring.
And crazy is exciting or adventurous.
Yeah.
So kind of the same thing. You take risk. None of us, the human nature is to play it safe.
Yeah. But don't play it safe.
Because the stuff we love is kind of crazy.
Exactly. So
that's why y'all love us. Because we all crazy up in here.
We're crazy, so you should subscribe.
Hit that button.
To this YouTube channel. Share it with your friends.
I'm glad you said this one.
Yeah, this one right here. Not the others.
Unsubscribe to all the others.
Yeah. Wow, we really just went that place for a second.
They don't know what they're talking about.
I got
except for 2 or 3 that I like.
Russia's going like crazy. No, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're gonna get back on there, promise. Mainly here though. This is great.
Katie's OnlyFans. Wait, no, that's not true.
Listen, I will show you my feet. What? But when it comes to taking risks, I'm actually really excited to check out Charlie Puth.
I love Charlie Puth.
He is incredible.
He's incredible. And you know why I like Charlie Puth? Partly because his last name's Puth. That is a cool name, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound cool or look cool, but when you say it, Puth.
Listen.
It feels good. Say Puth. Feels good, right?
Puth.
Puth. Charlie Puth. Puth. It feels good.
Charlie, if you do watch this,
it's like a little
I hope
Puth.
you know how much we love your last name. I'm really feeling the air off of your breath.
Puth. Do you smell my onion breath from the chips we've been eating?
No.
Good. But I love Charlie Puth. I said before we filmed this video, because we haven't seen this one yet, I feel like Charlie Puth, he's incredibly successful, no doubt. Really successful guy in music. But I feel like he doesn't get the highest praise that he deserves.
He does not.
To me, he's the male equivalent of Sarah Bareilles.
Yes.
Some of the most skilled writing, vocals, production, all the things in music. But he doesn't get the credit that the very, very top people get.
No, he doesn't. And for one thing, I respect him so much because obviously his incredible intellect and talent and just where he takes things, right?
Yeah,
and how he talks about things. But I also respect him because he doesn't seek that affirmation out, at least publicly.
No,
we all want that affirmation of like, hey, I actually really know about these things, but he's so in his element and in his lane that he's actually really setting up a legacy for himself to be talked about in 50 years.
Yeah, you're right. He totally is.
Yeah.
And I love that he's partnered on this song with our favorites from BTS.
JK, the youngest.
JK, the youngest. Say it.
Jung Kook.
That's right. That's what we say anyway.
That's what we say.
We've been trying to figure it out if it's correct.
We literally watching it.
But yeah. So this is Charlie Puth, Jung Kook of BTS. Left and right.
Left and right.
Left. Now left
and right. Now yours. Left and right.
And what's the other one you like?
Left and
the other one. The
right.
other song
go
you like?
Up, down.
Yeah.
Hit it to the ground. We go up, down. And we drop it to the ground. And we go left, right.
Oh.
And we look them in the eye. And we go up, down.
Katie, here we go! I love those pink socks.
Me too.
The overall visuals, his hair, I mean, everything is so good. Oh, that green
He's
suit.
keeping the pink socks too.
This is a fun little bop. I mean, this is really spoken, consonant.
Literally and letting everybody see inside.
Here we go. Here we go.
Brain.
Oh,
Wow.
come on.
I love how they're opposite too.
Yeah.
He said day and night, and they're light and black.
Ever since the day you went away, tell me how much more do I get?
What a cool room too with the colors.
Yeah.
You did things to me that I just can't forget. Think about all the nights where we're tangled up in a bed. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Charlie's like this like comedic
Yeah.
relief in it.
In my head, yeah. Memories follow me left and right. I can feel it, I can feel
See how he's in black and he's in white?
Oh, yeah.
Wait for it. See?
Love that. Yeah. Oh. Hear that panning left and right?
Yeah.
That was cool. Expensive therapist.
Take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now?
Okay.
Oh, so cool.
Loved that.
That was
For
awesome.
one thing, you're so right. I mean,
That was
like
awesome.
we said earlier, Charlie Puth has such a talent. Like, you guys, the clean, crisp notes that are just like flowing out, right? But I love the imagery verbally of left and right.
Yeah.
With
it's really
when
cool.
we have memories and everything, it's always in the past.
Right.
And we're always thinking, oh, I want to move on from that. I want to move ahead. But we don't think about how like they're kind of bouncing back and forth
in our
you know,
heads.
with
Yeah,
everything.
totally.
And it's exhausting when we want to forget something or someone or move on from move on from someone. I
Yeah.
kind of fell in love with the fact that he
It's-
was like so humorous and
It's really brilliant. Well, I mean, yeah. I mean, you kind of get a little crush on Charlie Puth.
Who wouldn't?
I mean, seriously.
He's insanely brilliant and
Yeah, well, and yes, he is insanely brilliant. And I said before this video that I think he is like the male version of Sarah Bareilles.
yeah.
They are
He is.
they are
And
brilliant pop writers and pop artists, but they don't always get the AA plus
Yeah.
list notoriety
That they deserve.
that they deserve.
Yeah.
Right?
I 1,000%
and
agree.
he is 100% in that lane.
He is.
He's brilliant.
He
I
has
mean,
legacy. Like, people will be talking
Yeah,
about him
totally,
and
totally.
his influence on
Totally.
music.
And I mean,
50
Jung
years.
Kook is amazing too. You know, we're kind of pointing out Charlie Puth here. This is his song, but
But he brought in JK for a reason, right? To be such an added
Yeah.
song. It was so good.
it was really, really
and their
a cool
voices
video.
were really great together, too. You know, JK's a little bit like that clean,
Mhm.
edgy vibe when when Charlie's got this edge vibe for sure, but just this more charismatic. There's a lot of freedom in his voice, and JK has that structure to his voice. And
okay, look, we're gonna play a game. You're gonna look at me in the eyes, and you're
Yeah.
gonna say Jung Kook, and I'm gonna say Charlie Puth to you. Okay, so
Okay.
just this is gonna be
Jung
a game. Wait till I say it right. Okay, say it.
Jung Kook.
Charlie Puth.
Oh my gosh. Jung Kook.
It doesn't work as well.
It doesn't.
Puth.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, this is actually a little vocal coaching tip here. Puth. See what happens if I say p, but if I
See how
say
great my...
also st, right? Those are hard consonants. If you're a singer
And you can't make my hair move?
and you, no, if you're in live singing, especially or in the studio, sometimes you have to be really subtle with your P's, K's, ST's, because they can be too poppy in the microphone. That's a good tip.
I know.
That
I
was-
just
that
didn't
one
know
was-
where you're going, Poppy.
That one
What?
was for free.
That one was for free.
I think it's all for free.
You are for free.
Call me. Anyway, hey, on that note, I am.
Who are you?
Jason the
I'm Katie Talbot, and we are Vocal Lab Collective. Vocal Lab Collective.
So much spit in this room.